Okay, I made a mistake on the long division, so you don't see that. That's the nice thing about making videos is I can delete and start over. So our problem for today is 38 divided into 3,268. So 3,268 divided by 38. So the first thing I need to do is guess and check. I need to guess 38 times some number is going to equal 326. And I happen to realize that, wait, 38 times 10, I could just add 0, would be 380. So I'm going to guess and check 38 times 9. 38 times 9, so 8 times 9 is 72, 2, 7. 9 times 3 is 27, another 7. I literally make dots. I'm like 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. See, I did that. I drew dots and made a little pattern of 7 there. So 9 times 3 is 27, plus 7 is 34. That's too large. 342 is larger than 326. I can't do that, so I need to guess and check another number. See why I did it off to the side? 38 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. So that's my guess and check. My multiplication is I need to take what I've done over here and bring it over here. So since I divided 38 into 326, I'm going to put the 8 above the 326. 38 times 8 is 304. Because I did it over here, so I'm just copying. That's my multiplication. My next problem part is subtraction. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. That's the subtraction. Next step, bring down. Next step, repeat. So I'm going to do guess and check. Guess and check, I'm doing it in brown. I need to guess and check about how many times 38 is going to go into 228. 3 goes into 22. Well, I could do 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. Might be a little close. So I could try 38 times 6. I could try 38 times 7. I think it's got to be 6. So let me just show you what happens if I try 7. 38 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. Oh, 21 plus 5. Oh, that's going to be too big. So let's try 38 times 6. 38 times 6, 8 times 6 is 48. 6 times 3 is 18. 19, 20, 21, 22. There's my answer. So my guess and check told me that I'm going to use 6. I have to bring that over to here. 6 times 38 is the same as what I did over here. 38 times 6 is 228. That's the multiplication. The subtraction, 228 minus 228. There's nothing else to bring down. My answer is 86. Okay, next problem. Oh, I have people walking through. Okay, but I'm making a video, so I can't help you right now.
Is this yours?
That is not, I don't know what it is, but it is not mine. See, people are leaving things on the copy machine to all my video watchers at home. Okay, so my next problem is not this. I'm going to scribble this out. My next problem is less than, greater than, or equal to. which of these applies? One of them is negative 3.2, and one of them is negative 3 1/5. So I could do two different things. I could convert the 0.2 to 2/10. I could convert these fractions. And then I could compare those fractions. Some of you might have caught on. 2/10 and 1/5. Okay? I can actually convert 1/5 to tenths and multiply by 2. So 1/5 is the same as 2/10. They're equal. If you are like Mrs. Falk, I do not know what just happened there. Oh, my eraser is not working. Okay, I'm having all kinds of issues. Yeah, I'm still having all kinds of issues. I don't know what's going on here. Let's just clear all these annotations. Let's say that you were like, Mrs. Falk, I do not know what just happened there. And I had negative 3.2. The other thing you can always do is you can always convert this to a decimal by division. 1 divided by 5. 5 does not divide into 1. So I have to add a decimal place and a 0. And then look at that 1 0 as 10. 5 does go into 10 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. I subtract, there's nothing left. So 1/5 is the same as 0.5. Negative 3.2 is equal, that's not a problem, to negative 3.2. Okay? Let's try the next one. Okay, ignore this problem, this wording here. That is not the problem. It is less than, greater than, or equal to negative 0.7 and negative 4/5. Okay, so two things you can do. This is the same as 7/10, right? I can turn that into tenths. 5 times 2. So then you would have negative 0.7 or negative 7/10 and negative 8/10. And while positive 8/10 would be greater than positive 7/10, think about a number line. Here's 0. Here's negative 1. As our digit value increases, we move farther to the left on the number line. And the further away from 0, further left, the smaller the number is, or the less value. So for instance, 0.7 would be there. 0.8 would be there, 0.9 would be there. So hopefully that made some sense. If you wanted to do it as division, you had negative 0.7 and negative 4/5. You can always change a fraction to a decimal with division. 5 does not divide into 4 because 4 is larger than 5. So I need to place a period, place a decimal point, add a 0. 5 will go into 40 8 times. 8 times 5 is 40. Subtract 0. I don't need to bring anything down. Once again, if I have negative 0.7 and negative 0.8, or negative 7/10 and negative 8/10, negative 7/10 is greater because it is closer to 0. Okay? Next problem. Ignore this writing. Change 10 thirds to a mixed number. Again, this is division. 10 divided by 3. Okay? This is not long division. This is what we call short division. You might have done it in 3rd or 4th grade where you were allowed to put an R for remainder. Okay, also known as what's left over. So let's try this. 3 goes into 10 3 times. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9. This is technically our guess and check in multiplication. We subtract. We have a 1 left over. In like 3rd grade, you were allowed to write 3R1. That means 3 wholes and a remainder of 1 as a mixed number. That's 3 wholes, a remainder of 1 over 3 because you're dealing with thirds. Okay? I also think for homework tonight, you had to do like 15 of these. I think that's what I saw kids telling me. Okay? And then the last problem. Sorry, I have to keep going on my phone because I took a picture on my phone. That is not the problem. 8 1/5 as an improper fraction. So this, we would multiply this and add that. I'm going to go over why in a minute. 8 times 5 is 40. That's 1. The reason is, imagine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fifths are in each whole? You can think about it as like this was broken into 5 pieces. 1, 2, that's 5 pieces, right? There'd be 5 pieces here, and 5 pieces here, and 5 pieces here, and 5 pieces here. So if I counted 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20, plus 5 is 25, plus 5 is 30, plus 5 is 35, plus 5 is 40, or 8 times 5 gave me 40. And then I had this 1/1/5 left over. So that's how I got my 41 fifths. Okay? Thank you so much for watching.